is so thick. I think you'll have to try and blade most of it off and then thinner it.
Yeah, okay.
Just because whatever it is, it's so thick.
What this is on the floor now, it's very sticky. So Charlie's just done that corner with a blade and some soapy water. So I'm going to do the rest of that. Found a Honda badge under all this overspray. This is just soapy water. Just going to give everything a clean on this. Snail. Pop in there. Oh god. I accidentally picked up the brake clean. Well, in my defence, you told me that a 15 sunroof would fit.
Yeah, the glass.
Also, the glass will fit.
Yeah.
Wait, you've already done that before?
It's not as a wash, Jay.
It is what you've done, isn't it?
Yeah. I just, when I brought mine, I only brought the glass only.
I tried to do that, but the guy didn't want to take it apart. Charlie is manually turning the motor by hand so that we can get this out. Oh, that's so gross.
If we take these out and get the metal casing out and get this off and then these off, it should hopefully expose some bolts somewhere.
Yeah, hopefully. Charlie's just taken off these trims that were each side of the glass.
When I drop all these 10 mils, it should melt. The only thing I don't think that I put in mine was this. So I think that I didn't want it.
Yeah, I don't think I really want it, so... Jesus, that's gross.
It pushed all the way through. I don't think these bolts are going to come out.
Well, is this the old one? Is this the shit one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's disgusting.
There we go.
Marvellous. Thanks, love.
What I would do is get something soft to put on the floor.
Yeah, I was going to use the mat.
Put the glass on there.
And then put the frame on top and
And then put
bolt.
the frame on top.
Got it.
If you need a hand, give me a shout.
Thanks, love. This might be overkill, but I'm really paranoid about how rusty the sunroof was that came out. And because I need to use the same frame, I'm literally trying to clean it up as much as possible. Screwdriver on a microfiber. I've just taken the seal off, so I'm going to try and treat these spots where it started to rust under the seal, just so they don't get anything any worse. So I'm just going to sand them back a little bit and then pop a bit of paint over the top to keep them protected. But the rest of it all looks okay, really. I'm just going to try to change out the screws that have rusted, which is only really this side, to be fair. But the rest of it is looking not too bad. I'm also just making sure that my seals are dry, because where I've taken this off, you can see it's all a little bit wet and it's got some of the rust left over from like where it's broken off inside. So I'm just gonna get a screwdriver in a microfiber and just run it along there just to dry it out, because there's going to be no point putting a wet seal back on after I'm trying to treat it for rust, because it's just going to rust again. Taking these screws out, but this one is not even a screw anymore, so Charlie's going to come and find a slit in it to see if we can take it out with a flathead. Right, I took this bracket off, sanded it all back, and have now painted over where I sanded the rust back. So Charlie managed to cut a slit in the screw with the grinder so we could get a flathead in to undo it. So I've now replaced it with a new screw on that one. I've cleaned out the seal, I've obviously repainted where all the rusty bits were sanded back, so I'm going to put the seal back on, and then I am going to try and put this whole thing back together. So we tried to line it up, and the brackets are very slightly different, so they didn't line up with where the bolts are on the roof. So we're now putting the brackets on off the 5th gen, but luckily the holes are in the exact same place.
So hopefully it works.
Do you want to lift it for me? Because I want to see if it fits from here, so we can all be amazed together. Oh, it's looking good.
There you go.
Magic. Now we're just putting all the nuts back on the bolts.
If you just hold it there, I'll try and line these little cookies up. Right. There. Go on then, put a bolt in. Or does it need to go higher somehow?
Yeah, I think you can.
There you go. Yeah, so we'll just hand tighten pretty much all of them. Make sure that everything's seating alright. Where did this plug go?
It went into here. Yes!
I remember this.
Cool, you're quite heavy leaning on my leg there, you know.
Yeah, I'm pushing down a little bit, I do apologise.
So this is the problem I'm having. It obviously works and it... Oh. Okay, well that's just decided to stop. It now won't fully shut.
Oh, was that?
It was fully shut. And I is that all the way back?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's got a little bit further than it. Do you think it's because the battery's a bit shit? This wasn't actually the issue, but this is now an issue.
These little tabs here. Try again.
Back, forward, back, forward.
I might have to cut these little tabs off.
Okay.
That might be why the front is lifted.
Yeah, okay, I get you.
This one doesn't have any
Yeah,
buttons.
okay.
The last one does.
Weird. Yeah, probably. Because I definitely think that the back of the roof now sits more, because it almost dropped a bit at the back, didn't it?
Yeah.
But it now sits more flush. Moment of truth. No.
No?
I think it's gone a little bit lower.
Yeah.
Do you reckon you could space the frame down?
Space what frame?
The actual, if it's not made no difference what you've done with them spaces.
Oh, it has made a difference, and look at the back now, and there are these little prongs I've just fucking cut off that stop it from shutting. Well, I think when you push it down, it does go lower, but I wonder if
it's the seal yet.
So the roof is in. We're going to have to play around with it though. We've tried to get it so that the front will sit flat because it's sitting a little high up at the moment. So there's some locating pins that Charlie needs to cut off so we can actually move the whole frame back very, very slightly, just so hopefully it sits a bit lower. But it's in. And it's late and it's Sunday night and I want to go home and eat. So that's it. Thanks, Charlie. You the best.
Alright, we'll come back to it.
We'll come back
Part
to it.
two.
Part 2. I mean, it needs to come out when it's painted anyway, so maybe we'll just worry about it then. Yes, I will clear up my shit. Bye.